नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। I, Javian Preeti Singh, Faculty of Pharmaceutical Science, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University. Today, I will discuss about the topic monophasic liquid dosage form. This topic belongs to the subject pharmaceutics theory for the B Pharm first semester. Now we come to the what is the monophasic dosage form. Monophasic liquid dosage form is a liquid preparation containing two or more components in one phase system. It is represented by a true solution. A true solution is a clear homogeneous mixture that is prepared by dissolving solute in a suitable solvent. The component of the solution which is present in a large quantity is known as solvent, whereas the component present in a small quantity is termed as solute. Example: enemas, syrup, lotion, elixirs, and liniment. So overall, the classification of monophasic liquid dosage form. Classification: monophasic liquid dosage form is divided into two parts. First one is liquid meant for internal administration, and second one is liquid meant for external administration. So the liquid meant for internal administration is divided into different categories. First one is syrup, mixtures, elixirs, linctuses, and the liquid meant for external administration are divided into three categories. First one is liquid applied to the skin, lotion, liniment, and colloidal paints. Liquid used to the mouth, gargles, mouthwashes, throat paint, and liquid instilled into body cavities, Dutchess, ear drop, nasal drop, eye drop, and enemas. So the syrup, aqueous preparation of 60% to 85% sucrose with or without flavor agent and medicinal substances, example chloramphenicol and maleate. Uses of syrup, vehicle and sweetening agent, preservative and flavoring agent. Advantage of syrup: act as antioxidant by retarding the oxidation as sugar is hydrolyzed into the levulose dextrose. So what is the disadvantage of syrup? Delayed onset of action because absorption takes time, not suitable in emergency, and for unconscious patients, not convenient for a patient with a certain disorders such as diarrhea, ulceration, and nausea. Can't avoid first pass metabolism. So the elixir definition and classification: elixirs are clear, sweetened, and flavored hydroalcoholic liquid preparation intended for oral use. The main ingredient of elixirs are ethyl alcohol, water glycerine or propylene glycol, flavoring agent and coloring agent of the some suitable preservative. There are two types of elixirs: flavored elixirs and medicated elixirs. So the elixirs advantage and disadvantage as mentioned here. And enemas definition: enemas is the different categories according to size, according to temperature, according to ingredients, and according to all other these things. So there are the complete short introduction of the monophasic liquid dosage form. This session is powered by the digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, and I hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in comment box. I will resolve it your problem by the problem resolving class. Thank you, and thank you for the listening.